Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In last video, we discussed the star ARGS to solve a problem. Today we will discuss double star ARGS and how to use to solve a problem. I mean how we will use double star KWARGS to solve a problem. So let's start. So as I said that we will do the same problem but with double star kwargs. So as you can see, write a Python program to store and display student details using a class with double star kwargs in the constructor. Okay, so let's start. All the informations are same, but we just change little. So let me first show you the class student. As you know, this is my class. I'm creating a class. So using class key word followed by class name, and then I have created the constructor. This is my constructor, and I'm passing two parameters, self and double star kwargs. Self refers to the current instance and double star kwargs. It is my what it will be? It will be key value pair. So it will give us key value pair. That means whatever value I will pass, it will get stored as a dictionary inside the, it will be, um, wait. Initially, it will be dictionary. As you can see, this is my class attributes and I had used here get function to get the key value pair. Otherwise, it will give us error. So, using get function or we can also use this third bracket. If we not use the get function, then we have to use the square bracket. You can do anything. So no problem. I am doing with get function. You will try with the square brackets and it will run. There will be no problem. Okay. So let's start. As we know that first name and last name would be of type string. So that's why I have written here in single quotes unknown, because initially it is unknown. We don't know what would be the name, and also subject 1, marks of subject 1 and subject 2, it is also unknown. So that's why I've written here 0 0 0. Okay, then let's start. So this is my main program and this is again a menu driven program. As I said that this is the same program, but I just changed little because we are going to use double star KWARGS. That means keyword arguments. So we need to change some we need to change some code. That's why I change this. Actually, this is the main change. As you want, if you want, you can check here that in the classwork question number 1, I written self comma star args and it was simple, very simple. So self dot first name assigning operator arguments 0 at the it will be stored at 0th position and last name will be stored at first position. Subject 1 will be stored at second position and subject 2 will be stored as third position. But here it is changed because we are taking key value pair. So that's why I have given key and value, and key in this way. And I'm using get function to get the name, first name, last name, subject 1, subject 2, like this. Okay. So this is again a menu-driven program and I have 3 options like add student detail, display information, exit the program. This is all same, but there is a only difference. And what is the difference? Difference in choice number 1. In choice number 1, all are same. That means I had asked the user to give the input that means enter first name, enter last name, enter marks of subject 1, enter marks of subject 2. This is all same, but in line number 29, there is a difference, big difference. Okay, let me split the screen, then you can see properly. Okay, so in choice number 1, see, in line number 29, I just call the constructor using the parameters first name, last name, subject 1, subject 2. But in the question number 2, in line 29, I have given the value, key and value using assigning operator. I am assigning the values at key. So this is the main difference between the first program and the second program. So that's why this is my instance, and I have created the instance, and this is my class name, students, and you can see this is my key first name. I'm going to store the value of first name into this variable first name. Actually, this is my key. This would be my key, and it is my value. Whatever value or whatever input the user will give, it will get stored at fn. That means this would be my value. So here also last name, that means ln, we will get the ln from the user, and it will get stored in the last name as a value. This will be my key, and this will be my value. In this way it will work, and the program will run similarly as we done in the first question. So let's do it, and I'll show you how it is working. So it's asking me the choice. I'm giving the choice, or I'm giving the input as 1. So first name, suppose first name would be Sita. Last name would be Kapoor. And subject is 89. Second marks would be 96. And student added successfully. And if I choose 2 as my input, then it will give us first name Sita, last name Kapoor. Actually, this would be same as the question number 1 that we did previously. But internally, it is a dictionary. Why? Because we passed key and value using assigning operator. That's why internally it is dictionary, but when we are going to get or when we are using the choice number 2, we are getting the information in this format. First name Sita, last name Kapoor, subject 1 would be 89 and subject 2 would be 896. So only we change, actually the output is same, but we changed here in the constructor, and also we changed in the instance. I mean, at the time of calling the constructor, we changed here. That means here we are passing key value pair arguments. In first program, we were just calling the constructor using the parameters or using the arguments. It was just value, but here it is key value pair, I mean key value arguments. So I hope this program is clear. Uh, all other things are same. As you can see, all are same. Just I had made two changes, first in the constructor and the second in the instance. So I hope this is clear. And if there is any doubt, then you can comment me. I will solve your problem. Thank you very much for watching my video and stay happy and healthy and keep practicing.